Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're taking you to the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind attraction, and we took a first ride and we will show you some of the cues and kind of explain to you what you're seeing and an honest opinion of the ride. And you will also meet a few other YouTuber friends of ours. They're really cool. This live of ours, and come on in and let's take a look. Now, let's go. Alright guys, so we're at the Cosmic Rewind here, and look at this. They got lines here. This is what Disney does best. They put a little space and make it into a mile. So we're kind of waiting. This is the pass holder preview. And there's that shit. Alright guys, so we're inside, and this is really cool. Look up there. You got the sun, stars moving. And this is the queue. Alright guys, so they're opening only one queue. If you look at this, there's another queue that goes back there that's not open yet. So right now, looks like it's moving, so this is good. Alright guys, so this is the second part of the queue. You got projections and things about the stations and things like that. Very interesting. If all of Disney attractions were like this, I would never have to go to Universal or anywhere else. But it's fantastic. My hat's off to the Imagineers who made this so far.
Sails on structures, biofuels in our waterways, and algae clusters scattered.
So this is Xandar.
Two giant dams breed our main canal
A bottle.
and generate hydropower for factories and technology centers. Even our citizens generate energy as they travel.
Talking about, I guess, energy consumption and things like that. What could be, and part of what I guess Tesla's doing with Elon Musk.
Trains run day and night.
So a lot of this really isn't too brand new, but it is the beginning of what could be.
Big Xandarians everywhere they need to go.
Another of our cities on Xandar was designed in a radial pattern. We recently learned that
Xandarian clothing, the galaxies, and a larger model of the ship. And there's more models of the ship.
To save Xandar.
It was Quills. He had this cafe plan.
Team's 10. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born at the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Hey guys, so we just came out of this ride, Cosmic Rewind. Fun ride, but I gotta say though, for many of you who might not like roller coasters, this is probably not for you. It is very extreme, but it is a lot of fun. Queue is fantastic, and look who we got here.
What's up, Mr. Q?
We have one of the best YouTubers in the world.
Way too kind.
And look, whole family's here.
Oh, that ride was amazing.
Yes, you gotta get on it. Kenny's telling you the truth. If you don't like roller coasters, it may be a little bit much, but if you love roller coasters, this is definitely needed here at this park.
I am going to put the link in the bottom. Go check them out. Awesome family. I've known them since
the beginning.
Since we started.
Yeah, we started. So, and I'm kind of seeing them here and there. So, you want to introduce yourself?
I'm June from This Life of Ours. This is Ray. That's my daughter Brooklyn, and that's my son Trey. And we're This Life of Ours, DISLYFE, because we have to be this close. OFOURS.
And by the way, I've known these two when they were little kids.
Right.
They're like the small.
That's right. That's true.
And their son is taller than I am now. Could you imagine that? But dude, go check them out, and we'll see you in another video.
It's always a pleasure, Kenny.
Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.